Hello viewers, many people have bought Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 during Diwali sale. Hope you are enjoying your tablet. Many people have asked me to make a video on accessories on Tab S9. In this video, I will talk about the best tempered glass that you can buy and also about the best back cover. The first tempered glass that you can buy for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is Robustrian tempered glass screen protector. It will cost around 379 rupees. I have used this tempered glass personally and I can say that the quality of this Robustrian product is top notch. It feels very smooth on the screen and the touch response is also very good using this tempered glass. Only tempered glass will not help you. You have to buy a separate back cover for Tab S9. The best back cover that you can buy is Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro for Galaxy Tab S9. This will cost around 2670 rupees. This cover has folio case, built-in S Pen holder and kickstand. It has two colors, black and grey. If you have Amazon ICICI Bank credit card, in that case you can get 133 cashback. But if you don't want to spend too much on back cover, in that case you can buy Robustrian cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. It will cost around 499 rupees. And if you don't want to buy Robustrian back cover, in that case I will suggest another back cover for this product, that is Pro Elite cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. The price of this back cover is 496 rupees. So I have suggested one tempered glass and 3 back covers. These products will protect your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and you will enjoy your tablet thoroughly. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you have already bought anything or not. Feel free to ask me if you have any questions in your mind. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.